Hi my spicy meatballs. So I am having a disclaimer now before we start this video. Usually all the videos that I have seen, it's always that I'm always on top of the cleaning and everything. This time I don't know what happened. Our shifts are changing, hours are changing, his shift is changing, so it's not like I'm really been on top of cleaning. So it's gonna be like a real actual cleaning that we're gonna do. So please don't be alarmed with the mess that I have in the kitchen or my stove or anything like that, but everything's back to normal now, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon, my spicy meatballs. Bye. All right guys, so this is the mess that I had. Did breakfast this morning, coffee, sausages. I even dropped this that it actually bent. I don't know if you can see it. So I have a lot to clean today. Yeah, got a new toaster oven and it's just like a big old mess here. Made turkey burgers last night. I was super tired. That's a lot to clean. This is the first time that y'all ever seen my kitchen this bad. So I have dishes over here. I have all that. I was just ironing Brody's clothes before he went to work. I had to use a towel on my new marble, which it's so cute. What y'all see after it's all cleaned up. I have a whole bunch of mess over here. I have Ami's dog food there that needs to be put away. I had just washed her thing. I have Nico's food there too. I'm gonna have a real big mess here, and I have some things over there to clean out. There's a garbage bag because I don't have a garbage can because I can't because of her over there. Cat litter. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of things. A mess. Like, we're going like real detail today. My little fireplace. I have been putting it on Instagram. Well, not Instagram, on Snap when we got this. My little cute, you know, Thanksgiving things up here, and elephants, and that's the remote control to turn it on. So cute. So I got that. Okay, it's too hot in here right now because I have the natural like heater on. I gotta put this away. It's a lot of things to do. So right now we're going to be cleaning this kitchen. Sure, you know, you know, living in a small apartment, it's like really, but like what I'm gonna do with that box. But yeah, we're going to clean right now, guys.
could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in
meatballs. So it's been 3 days since I cleaned Saturday, since I did that video. I was cleaning almost like all night, like detailing and everything. So everything that you have seen, it pretty much changed. We haven't been really home. Sunday I went to go see my mother because she came from Florida. I went to Brody's new job, which you're gonna see like little clips of here and there, like almost everywhere. I went to go visit family. Then you know how you dry the plates in the dish holder. I never put those away, so I just recently put those away. Now I just finished washing more plates. It's Tuesday, and this is what I have so far. Like I never finished well, I finished cleaning, I just never finished the video. So I still have dishes which I just finished washing now. So I have to put that away hopefully before, you know, the weekend. Everything else is clean. I put out some of the Christmas things. Over here I got some chicken to cook tomorrow. I did some turkey ground beef, which I already packed up for work. And I packed up his. This toaster oven I'm going to put somewhere. Maybe I was thinking about putting all these plates away and putting the dish holder away. So whenever I need to use it, I'll just take it out because I really don't like the fact that all of this is out. So I might just put the toaster over there. Ignore the water. That is because I just cleaned the candle holder. And over here, oh my shadow, hello. Over here, I have bad lighting over here. I have my little Thanksgiving, which I put a little Christmas tree in there. Yes, I'm all into Christmas. I know we haven't even passed Thanksgiving, but that's just me. I got the little foxes over here and the little pumpkins. So this is like Thanksgiving over here, which I have a Christmas thing over here. But yeah, that's that. I finished cleaning. And over here, my little fireplace, which I haven't shown y'all. When I turn it on, it's super cute. So let me turn this on because I don't want that on. I have my little elf, and this is my little miniature tree. It's like 5 feet. I just added that piece so to make it look a little taller. And it goes Ami. So that's that. And then I have like a little town going on here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, everything else. So I still have to go clean their stuff out of there. And the sofa that was so nice and clean, it ain't clean anymore. So yeah. And then we just put all the frames up. And that's me as a baby. And there's another baby picture of me, but it's not here yet. But yeah, and I need to add more pictures here. So that's that. And everything else is clean. Just living in a small studio, it's like we don't have a lot of space for everything. So that's why you see little things there. And Ami's food is up top there. Those are our dishes, which I'm loving. This color placemat. And that will go there. But yeah, but pretty much that is it. So y'all will see the ending of this another time when I make another video. But yeah. Alright, so guys, I have finished cleaning the whole kitchen. Got a new little happy Thanksgiving. And then of course what I showed you before. And well, I just fed them, so that's about it. And there she goes.